In this clip, we're going to talk about one of the items involved in a major tune-up or vehicle overhaul. The item we're going to talk about in this clip is tire wear and how to check for it. As you can see on this tire here, what you're going to look for, since I have it off the vehicle, are what you call wear bars. The wear bars are these little nubs built in the water galley of these tires. They put these nubs on there to indicate wear. It's pretty much a level indicator. Once any portion of the vehicle's tread has worn down to level with the wear bar, that indicates that the tire tread is excessively worn and needs replaced. If the tire happens to be in a position where the wear bars aren't readily visible, or if it happens to come from a manufacturer that doesn't provide those for you, there's one more universal way to check your tire wear. What you're going to want to do is use a penny and insert it in one of the rain grooves of your tire. Not directly on top of the tread like this, but in one of the grooves. You set the tire in, or the penny in on the tire, and what you're going to want to do is look at the level of Abraham Lincoln's hair. If the tread does not cover up his hair, then the tire is excessively worn and should be replaced.